Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos for figure skaters and for people who are inspired by figure skaters or just want a good workout. So today is kind of more figure skater specific. Of course, you can join it if you're not a figure skater. We're going to be jumping on our 1 foot, which is really healthy for the pelvic floor, so you're welcome to give it a try as well. But today it's a little bit more figure skater themed. So we're gonna be working on some exercises to improve those exits. So this is something you can do before your training or after your training. When you do like some jump rotation session, you can add it to that. So we're gonna get right into it, okay? So no warm-up, so make sure that you are already warmed up for this. We're going to start off with just holding a nice crossed position. So I'm gonna be standing to the side, but this is the crossed position we're gonna be holding here. So it's slightly opened at the knee from the shin down, yeah? So it's not like this, which is a common mistake. A lot of people, exit like that, with the hip turned in and the knee turned in. So try to keep this a little bit turned out for that crossed action. When we're gonna be doing exits with our free leg, I really wanna see you turn out that back leg, stretching your knee, pointing your toes, and try to make it work all in your glute and not your lower back. So we're gonna start off with whatever leg you wanna start off with. I'm gonna start off on my right leg. So I'm going to hold in this nice position here with my arms in a rounded kind of first position like we do in ballet. So just holding here, finding that lift here, so not sinking down into my right hip. Good, keep holding. And now we're gonna do a small little jump. So make sure you're not gonna be moving this free leg when we jump. And just small jumps, okay? Nothing too crazy. We're gonna jump, 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 just 10 times. And hold it. Come back with a little extension in your standing leg. And now we're going to bring that leg back into a nice exit and then back forward to that cross position. So let's inhale, exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. Trying to keep that leg nice and turned out. Bringing your arms to the sides here. And don't mind my cat, she wants to come back in. So if you can see her, she is okay. And now hold it here. And now we're going to hold back in our exit, just holding like so. I know that standing leg is killing you. We're gonna do one more exercise and then we're through. Keep that leg turned out and let's go. We're gonna add a jump to it. So jump as you come forward, then back into your exit. 3, 4, 5. Oops, my table is in the way. 8, almost there. 9 and 10. Try to hold in that exit again. Try to go a little bit higher, more in your knee, and let it go. Whew. So that was really crazy for that glute. Don't worry, it will survive. So just shake it out a little bit, catch your breath. We'll take a quick little stretch after we've done both legs. So this is a very quick routine, nothing crazy. And if you feel 10 reps are too much for you, just keep it to 5 and work your way up. So let's get ready for the other side so we have it out of the way. So let's just hold here in that cross position, standing nice and tall, not sinking into that left hip. Shoulders are down. And let's add the jump. So bending in our standing leg, soft little jumps. And 4, 5. Always trying to land on the ball of your foot. And now hold it, stand in your standing leg again, and we're gonna come into our exit position. Come forward to the cross position, exit. Inhale, exhale. Keeping that posture going. Last two. Keep that leg turned out. And last one, now hold in your exit. And let's add the jump to it. We're almost there. Jump, exit, jump, exit. 3. This is a real challenge for your balance. My left leg is not my best leg. 3 more. Last one, and let's hold it in that exit. Whoopsie. See, I'm also falling all over the place. Bend in that standing leg and let it go. Good. Shake it out and just walk it out if you need to. It was very intense, and of course, you can do all those movements with a little bit of break between them. You don't need to go one after another. But if you do, it's quite the cardio and glute workout. So let's bring ourselves to that nice stretch. So bringing your foot to your knee. You can hold on to something when you do this. Turn out that hip, bend in your standing leg. And let's let it go. And let's come to the other side. And release. Awesome. So we are finished for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little routine, and I wish you all the luck and the best with your landings. See you all next time. Bye. Okay, Bagheera, if you want to come in. No, you don't want to come in? Princess. Okay, I'm closing. Oh, there you go.